Good morning, grade 4. So our lesson for today is all about addition of similar fraction, lesson 15. So there are 3 simple steps to add similar fractions. Step number 1, make sure the bottom numbers or the denominators are the same. Step number 2, add the top numbers, the numerators. Put the answer over the denominator. Then next, step number 3, simplify the fraction if needed. Examples. Number 1, so the fractions 1/4 plus 1/4 equals, so since similar, so add the numerator. So 1 plus 1 equals 2. Then copy the denominator, common denominators. So 4, so equals 1/2. So bakit nagiging 1/2? I-lowest term pa natin, yung 2/4. So find the GCF of 2 and 4. So 2. Then divide. 2 divided by 2 equals 1, and then 4 divided by 2 equals 2. So the lowest term is 1/2. So the presentation, so 1/4, okay, so isang buo natin. So 1/4, another 1/4, so equals 2/4. And then the lowest term, 1/2. The next number 2. 2/6 plus 1/6. So 2/6 plus 1/6. So 2/6 plus 1/6 equals, so 2 plus 1 over 6 equals 3/6 or 1/2. So it means find the GCF of 3 and 6. So 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. 6 divided by 3, 2. So the lowest term is 1/2. The next number, 3. 2 over 5 plus 2 over 5. So also the same denominators. So ganun lang kadali mag-add ng fractions with the same denominators or similar fractions. So add the numerator. Then i-simplify kung kailangan. So 2 plus 2 equals 4. Then copy the common denominators of 5. So the result is 4 over 5. So no need to simplify. Kasi simplest form na yung 4 and 5. So ang common na lang nila ay 1. So it means lowest term na yung 4 over 5. Then another one, addition mixed fractions. When two or mixed fractions with similar denominator are added, we follow this step. So first, add the whole numbers first. 2, then add the similar fractions. 3, write the sum in lowest term. Examples. Example number 1, so 3 and 1/6 plus 2 and 4/6 equals, so first add the whole numbers, 3 plus 2, then add by fractions, so 1/6 and 4/6, so 4 plus 1, so the numerator, then copy the common denominator, 6 equals 3 plus 2 equals 5, and then the numerator, 4 plus 1, 5, then copy the common denominator or the denominator, 6, so equals 5 plus 5 over 6. So the answer, 5 and 5 over 6. The next number 2. 4 and 1/8 plus 2 and 3/8. So the same denominator, so equals. So first add the whole numbers. So 4 plus 2. So 4 plus 2 and then plus the fractions. So the numerator, so 1 plus 3. So 1 plus 3 then over 8, the common denominator equals, so 4 plus 2, 6. Then add by 1 plus 3, 4, then over 8. So the answer is 6 and 1/2. So bakit nagiging 6 and 1/2? Since 4/8, so kailangan natin i-lowest term. So divide the GCF of 4 and 8. So 4. So 4 divided by 4, 1. And then 8 divided by 4, 2. So that's why the answer is 6 and 1/2. The next number, 3. 5 and 3/8 plus 4 and 1/8. So vertical. Then first add the whole numbers. 5 and 4, so 9. And then the numerator, 3 plus 1, 4. Then copy the common denominators, 8 equals, so 9 and 1/2. So divide by the GCF of 4 and 8, so 4. 4 divided by 4, 1. 8 divided by 4, 2. So the result is 9 and 1/2. Word problem. Number 4, examples. Akia is preparing a chocolate cake. She needs 4/6 cup of chocolate powder, 3/6 cup of skimmed milk, 1/6 cup of sugar, and 5/6 cup of flour. How much of the mixture will she use in all? So to find the sum of similar fractions, so add the fractions with the same denominators. So first 6 plus 3, 6 plus 1, 6 plus 5, 6. So saan ito nakuha ng fractions na ito? So ito yung nasa problem. So equals and it means hindi pa natin binigay yung sagot. Then add the numerators and write the sum over the same denominator. So first 6 plus 3, 6 plus 1, 6 plus 5, 6 equals 13/6. So 4 plus 3, 7 plus 1, 8 plus 5, 13. Then copy the common denominator is 6, so 6. Then since improper, kailangan natin i-lowest term into mixed fraction. So present the sum in the lowest term. So 13/6 equals 2 and 1/6. So saan natin nakuha yung 2 and 1/6? So 13 divided by 6. So how many 6 in 13? So there are 2 and then 2 times 6, 12. Then ipag-subtract natin. So 13 minus 12. So 1. So the numerator or the remainder. Then copy the denominator or the divisor, 6. So 6. So it means 13/6 equals 2 and 1/6. So pag i-multiply din natin to, 6 times 2, 12 plus 1, 13. Then the denominator 6, so the same. So 13 divided by 6 equals 2, remainder 1. That's it. Thank you, grade 4. And now open your guide and do the following task. Submit on December 7.